In this GPTPower review, I'm going to be showing you a software you can add to your WordPress website that will create automated, done-for-you original content using the power of ChatGPT. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out GPTPower, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says here, the world's first real OpenAI connected WordPress software that auto creates set and forget websites with limitless real-time auto publishing, and it has a bunch of extra stuff, the pages and images directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI in any niche for a low one-time price. So essentially what this software does is you install it on your WordPress website, and you do need to have a WordPress website for this to work. And it's going to create content using ChatGPT. It's going to publish the automated posts and pages. It has 50 done-for-you websites included, integrated with ChatGPT. You just enter a title and content of your pages, and it will create your post for you, generate and insert automatic visually appealing images. You can choose the temperature of the content and control its randomness, control the length of your content, and you don't have to worry about paying money for people to do it. So this is an alternative if you don't want to do it manually. Probably if you do it manually, it's going to be like more like kind of how you want it. But if you just are like wanting to create a website and just like put a ton of content on it and essentially be able to tap into the power of SEO and get free SEO traffic. And I know that AI content is ranking. I know people that are ranking it already. So this is something that if you're anyone out there that says AI content won't rank, it will. So this is a way of getting extra traffic to your websites in your niche. Now, there are other tools out there that will help you do similar things, but it doesn't auto post for you. It will help you create content, but it won't create that content for you automatically. So this will create the content for you. Create Google-friendly content with no manual work, make real content that gets high search rankings. I know you're not going to be able to rank for like make money online or lose weight or something like that. You're going to want to go for long tail keywords. You just log in, you set your automation, and they say profit. Of course, your profit's going to depend upon what you're doing, right? So you can't magically say you're going to be making like $24,000 with this. It doesn't happen like that. But it is something where you can generate traffic using the power of this. So I'm going to scroll down here. I'm not going to look at everything on the sales page with you, as you can do that on your own time. But if you do purchase, you're going to get access to these sales pages are so long. Does anyone actually read the whole sales page? Here we go. If we go up, we can see that if you get access to the software, so you get all these 50 done for your websites, auto Q&A feature, all these different things here for a one-time price. Now, as of right now, I moved my mouse away. I didn't see any kind of like a downsell or a coupon, but you should try it as well just to make sure on the live sales page, just to see if a discount comes up. I make less as an affiliate by putting that out to you, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to play a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the backend area and the OTOs.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first real OpenAI connected WordPress software that creates set and forget websites with limitless real-time unique content, auto-publishing posts, pages, and images directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI in any niche. So if you too are willing to have your own website publishing content 24/7 without copy-pasting any content, without downloading and uploading images, without doing any manual corrections ever, and without ever logging into ChatGPT or other bogus AI apps, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting GPTPower, the world's first OpenAI WordPress website creator that creates set and forget websites, generates limitless real-time unique content with images and videos directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI in any niche without copy and pasting. All you need to do is just tell GPTPower your niche and your self-updating website from OpenAI will be ready to publish content. Just follow 3 easy steps. Step 1, log in. Step 2, set automation. Step 3, profit. And that's it. You're all set to generate valuable, engaging, relevant, and high-quality content for your WordPress website in just a few clicks. And the best part, there's no need to log into a separate app or ChatGPT and then wait to generate content, waste money on expensive content creation or graphic platforms, pay huge monthly fees to expensive third parties, worry for any complex technical or marketing skills. Here are some amazing benefits you get with GPTPower. Get limitless, real-time, unique content with images and videos directly from ChatGPT and OpenAI. Publish automated content as posts and pages using GPTPower AI directly on your website. Just enter title and your content for pages, and post will be ready on your website. Generate and insert automatic images into the post as per keyword and title. Choose image size. Add feature images. Choose from 4 natural language modes to generate content automatically. Choose temperature of the content and control its randomness. Control length of the content to be generated, and tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Take my word. If you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then GPTPower is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. GPTPower will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click the button below this video to get GPTPower for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Okay, so we're back. So this is a website with the software installed on it, where you have like your done for you blogs and your content generator, your image generator, your Q&A thing, auto posting, all these different things that you can set on your website. Now there are multiple upgrades. The first one is the premium features. It removes their branding. And unlocks premium features of the software. It removes their watermark from your content. So if you and on the generated images, so if you want to get rid of mention of GPTPower, then you want to get this one. Deploy AI chatbots on your websites, more niches, etc. with this one. So this is the first upgrade. Let me see if they've got the price on here. I always show you guys if I can. Looks like it's not listed on here, but it's not super. It's not going to be super expensive. It's just an optional upgrade. Next one is it says go unlimited on everything, so you can get unlimited content, unlimited image with this one. So this is the next upgrade. Next one here is the Rocket Edition. So this is going to create 100% search engine optimized content for all your websites just by entering in a keyword. So this is going to give you even more content. This is a done for you edition. So again, optional upgrade. Agency one, so you can actually like sell this as a service to people, charge $197 a month or more for access to the software. Then there's a reseller, so you can actually just resell the software throughout the sales funnel. And then they've got a one where you can rebrand it and have it like, I could make it like Mike from Maine, like Mike from Maine, GPT or whatever, you know. So it's up to you what you want to do this. All these different OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about GPTPower and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, it is a WordPress plugin. So you need to have a WordPress website in order to make this work. What do I like about this? If you are someone that wants to just be pumping out a bunch of different content on your website in order to get traffic from SEO, to make money through ads, or to essentially build an email list, then this could be something that's right for you. If that's you, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my GPTPower review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.